Good morning, student. Welcome to online class of history. We'll continue with chapter 3 and the topic name is Christopher Columbus. Today I am going to discuss with you the life and history of about Christopher Columbus. Now, he was born in 1451 in Italy, and in 1492 he began his first voyage and discovered an island and named it San Salvador. In 1493, he went to the second voyage and he discovered an island named Dominica. In 1498, he went again in the third voyage and there he discovered South America. And in 1502, he again went to his fourth voyage, and this was the last voyage of his life, and he discovered Central America. And at last he died in 1506 in Spain on 20 May. So let's start from his life history. Christopher Columbus was born in Italy in 1451. He was a great explorer. What is meant by explorer? Explorer means a person who travels in search of geographical or scientific information. And he was an explorer and sailor also. He traveled a lot. As a result of his many voyages, he discovered many new places. And when Christopher Columbus was 13-year old, he went to a sea and he found sea journey very exciting, and very soon he became an expert sailor. Now, a new route. Christopher Columbus wanted to find a new route to China. He believed he could reach the far east to China by sailing west. That was a new idea in 1492. But he had no money and ship, and he decided to ask the king and queen of Spain to give him the money. Now, he started his first voyage in 1492. Christopher Columbus gets sail on his first voyage from Spain at first. And what is meant by voyage? Voyage means journey. Now, at first he had 3 ships. They were called, and the ship name was Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. He sailed across the Atlantic Ocean for 69 days, and finally he saw an island. He named the island San Salvador, and Columbus also explored other islands in the area, and he discovered Hispaniola and Cuba, and he thought he had reached Asia, and so he called the people he met in the islands Indians. Next, he went to the second voyage. In 1493, he made his second voyage. That time, he sailed with 17 ships and over 1,000 men. He discovered a new island and named it Dominica. Then he explored Jamaica, Puerto Rico, and southern Cuba. He set up the first Spanish colony in Hispaniola, and in 1496 he sailed back to Spain, and the voyage seemed to be very successful. Next, his third voyage. In 1498 he made his third voyage, and this time he had only six ships, and he discovered the continent of South America, and he explored the coast of Venezuela. He also discovered Trinidad. And this was the fourth voyage. In 1502 he set out his last voyage, and this time he had only 4 ships, but the voyage was very fruitful. Fruitful means good result. The journey gave him a good result, and he discovered Central America. He explored the coast of Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. And he stuck in Jamaica. Christopher Columbus ran into a storm during his last voyage. He gets stuck in this last voyage, and his ship were damaged, and no one came to help him and his crew. Eventually, he was stuck in Jamaica for a year, and in 1504, he left for Spain for the last time. And at last Christopher Columbus died in 1506, and in fact he was a very good sailor and a great explorer. How could the world honor him? Many cities and streets in Europe and America are named after him. In many towns and cities, you can find statues of Christopher Columbus. So this was the history of Christopher Columbus. If you have any queries and doubt, you can mail me in this email ID. I hope you understand it. Thank you.